In this video, I will tell you how to create the reactive audio wave effect in Filmora. So first of all, take any background video. I select this video. I will slow his speed. The length will increase automatically. Now go to the audio. I will take this audio here and go to the effect, and there is the audio visualizer. I choose this effect, and according to waves it will work. Now the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.